Hey everyone, Dave from Retired with Purpose. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. On my channel, I talk all things side hustles. Well, recently we've been talking about YouTube as a side hustle, and it can be a fantastic side hustle. So, my first few videos about YouTube were intentionally very basic in how to get started on YouTube and just the basic things of setting up accounts and so on. But many people were commenting, fast forwarding, wanting to know things about equipment and video editing and all of those other details. Those will all come. On today's video, what I want to do, I want to show you a basic setup. I'm going to set up my phone to use as a camera. I'm also going to show you a basic microphone setup, wireless lav mic. And then I'm going to shoot just a really basic video. And then we're going to take that video and upload it, actually go through the steps, upload it onto YouTube. So you can see just how simple the process is. Okay, so all I'm going to do uh, on this video is we're just going to show using your phone to shoot a video. Now, what I have here, I have a selfie stick, and you can do that. You can hook it up to a selfie stick and, shoot videos of yourself. But this, I would highly recommend. This is a little wireless lavalier mic. They're not expensive at all, but I do want you to understand that audio quality is as important in your video as the video itself is. So people will swipe away really quick if you've got bad audio quality on your video. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to spin around and show you my tripod. I use a tripod a lot when I need my hands free. And as you can see here, I have a mount on here for my phone. And then up behind, you can see I've got a mirror attached. So when I'm out in front of my camera, I can see if I'm framed properly in the video or not. So why I do this, your forward facing camera is much better than your back selfie camera. So you want to use your front facing camera. So let me get it hooked up and I'll show you a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to use my wife's iPhone here to use as a example of how all this works. Your little lav wireless mic just plugs into the back, and that's all there is to it. I will take one of these lapel microphones and attach it up on my shirt, up close to my mouth. So anyway, it's very simple to do. Now let's flip this around and get this up on the tripod. Okay, so we're all up on the tripod, ready to shoot. You can see me in the background there in my mirror, so I can tell what's going on. And you'll see now, let me go up and show you in the mirror what this camera is actually looking at. This is what the camera's actually viewing. So when I'm back here and I'm ready to display what I'm doing, we've got everything framed and everything's working right. So let's shoot a little video. Okay guys, so we're ready to shoot our little video. Camera's all set up, ready to go. I've got my little lav mic on my shirt, and I would just explain on my video whatever I'm shooting. So on this, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you now, this is that wireless lav mic that we're using at the moment. And of course, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I have links for these types of things in the description below. But that's all we have on this little video. I'm going to stop it and let's go along with the process. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is use this is an iPhone, so this lightning cable, and plug it into my phone so I can get that video off of my phone. I'm going to try to do this with one hand for you guys. So I just come up and it's going to ask me to allow this device to be used. And I said yes. So now we have our phone plugged into the laptop so we can download that video. So over here on the left, down here at the bottom, you will see my Apple iPhone, and I'll just click that. And up here, you see pops up the internal storage of my iPhone. So I double click that one. And here's all the folders that's on the iPhone. And we're going to go to the very last folder. That's the last thing that we've put in here, put on the iPhone. It's down here on the bottom right. And they're going to all pop up. It's going to all populate. And then we're looking for the last video that we have. And it's right here on the bottom. And I just highlight it. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take that video and I'm going to drag it over to my video folder. And it will just copy it over to my video folder. Okay, so just stopping for a moment, make sure everybody is still on track. All we did, took the phone, we inserted a lav mic into it, and I put it up on the tripod. I used my little mirror behind it to make sure that I was framed and clicked start and shot my little video. Then we took a cable attached to the phone and transferred the video over to my laptop. So now that video is sitting on my laptop. So all we're going to do now is we're going to go open YouTube and click, click, click and get that thing uploaded, and you'll be able to see it. Okay, so now we have YouTube Studio open, ready to upload a video. On the upper right side, you can see it's up here. It says create. I just click create and upload a video. Okay, so now it wants to know where's this video located. So you can see right here it says select files, and I will select the file. Now I'm going to go over to my videos, and I'm going to go to the folder where I have that saved, and it's under demo, and I called it demo. So I'm just going to upload it, and it is uploading right now. So here's the title. We called it demo, and you can see what I have. I use vidIQ, which I highly recommend. It's a great program, but that's for another video. So you have to put a title in, and as we go down through here, the description. So this is just a demo. Okay, now we're going to go on down, and then up next is the thumbnail. Now the thumbnail is a very important part of your video, and we're going to do videos about titles and thumbnails and so on. And you can see it auto generated a thumbnail for us. It's right here. So we're just going to go on down, and it's going to ask if you want to put it in a playlist. I'm just going to go on down. Nothing that's important here. Now, these settings are made up in your preferences when you set up your channel. You have to be really careful about videos that contain kids in them uh, or that YouTube considers are made for kids. So you don't want to do that. You want to try to avoid that. There's a lot of issues that come with that. So this is not made for kids. And then we're going to go on down. And this is if you have paid promotion, somebody has sent you an item to review or something like that. And we're going to go on down. Any of the following describe your content. They want to know if basically you've used AI to create it, and no. And then we're going to go on down. Automatic chapters, just let them set the chapters. Don't worry about any of that. Tags, that's for another video. We can talk about that, but you don't have to put any in. It's not important. We're just trying to get something up. We're going to go on down. video language, all those things are set in your preferences when you set up your channel, so you don't have to do anything with that. And let's go on down. Allow embedding, that's allowing other people to use parts of your video and their videos. Again, that's a discussion for another video. We're not going to worry about it. Just leave all of these things set the way YouTube has them set. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to change it. Category. Now, again, this channel is called Bird Peeker, so it's in pets and animals. So you can click the down arrow and you can put, whatever kind of education or whatever you want. Now we're going to go down and this part right here shows how many people liked your video. And then we're going to click next. Okay, so this is where you can add an end screen to your video and all those kind of things. Again, we'll talk about those later. You don't have to worry with those. Just click next and move on. All those things like that come with learning YouTube, and you don't have to do them. So don't get stuck on them. Just pass right on over them so you can get your video up. Now they've done checks. There's no issues found. Next. And then it's going to ask, how do you want this? Do you want it private, unlisted, or public so everybody can see it? Since this is just a demo for this video that I'm creating for you, I'm going to make it unlisted. So it's not open to the public. And again, that's because this is a demo. And then we're going to click save. And up pops the dialog box that says video is published. So here it is. And let's go take a look. And here's our video. Okay, guys, so we're ready to shoot our little video. Camera's all set up, ready to go. Everything looks great. Got my little lav mic on. Yeah, everything looks great, guys. So that's all there is to this. You just watched me take a phone, shoot a video, take the video off of my phone and put it over onto my laptop. Then I went to YouTube and then I clicked create to create a video on YouTube. And then I uploaded the video and then I just filled in all the fields. Don't get hung up on those fields. When you go to the doctor's office, they'll hand you a clipboard and a paper, and you have to go down through and check mark all those different fields. Don't get hung up on that. Just go down through, and as you're learning, the more videos you put up, you will learn what all of those fields are for. Don't stress on it when you're starting. So, anyway, guys, it's very simple to get this up. We're going to talk more about the different kinds of equipment that I use. We will get into editing, but you can see that you don't have to get worried about editing. You can make a video without even doing any editing. You can also see on this video that you don't have to show your face. All you're looking at's my hands. There's faceless videos that you can do. Um, don't forget now, two things, very important. I created a website called Creator Focused to give you more details on the YouTube side hustle. Retired with Purpose covers all kinds of side hustles, but Creator Focused is focusing mainly on YouTube and getting everybody up and monetized with their channels. So don't miss that. Side benefit or side note, if you become a member of Retired with Purpose, you can get into the private side of Creator Focus and read some things that are even deeper in depth. So, and that's open to all the members on my Retired with Purpose channel. So, anyway, guys, if you like this kind of information, it's helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.